Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for cookies business. So here let's assume that I have a cookies business and to promote that I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be Google Sheets. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for cookie business. So here let's assume that I have a cookie business and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets. Now to do this, I need to set up an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. This here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window that consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Basically, action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple actions. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for cookie business. So here in my trigger window, as I'm promoting my cookie business with the help of Facebook lead ads, so my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads, and here it is. And now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. So now as I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event, moving to my action window, as I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets. So here Google Sheets will be my action application. Here it is. Now the action event will be to add new row, because I want to add the lead details in a new row. So here I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So now moving ahead, firstly to do this, I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And to add a new connection, I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. So now here I'm going to click on connect. Here you can see that the authorization is successful. So Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the page that I've created for my business and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So this here is the page that I've created for my cookie business, that is by the name of More Than Bakery. So over here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to select my page as More Than Bakery. Here it is. After selecting my page, I'm going to select the lead gen form that is associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the two lead ads forms that I've created. So I want to use this lead ad form by the name of new leads form, and this is how the form looks like. So I want to use this form. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select the lead gen form as new leads form. So once I've selected my page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do this, here in this new tab, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers. So now I will go to the page. And here in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps. And in My Apps, I will go to Tools. And under developer tools, I will go to this lead ads RTO debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So here from this page drop down, I'm going to select my page that is by the name of More Than Bakery. I'm searching for my page and here it is. Once this is done, I'm going to select the form as new leads form, and now I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the form, and I fill in the details of full name, email and the phone number. So now I'm going to click on next. Now I'm going to click on submit. So here you can see it says thanks, you are all set. So I'm going to close this. Over here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. That means the lead that I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. And over here you can see I've just received the response. Here is the full name, email, phone number, created date and time, along with some other details. That means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the test lead details over here in Pabbly Connect, as I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets, so firstly I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Here I'm going to click on allow as this is a secure access. So now you can see that the authorization is successful. Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. Now moving to select spreadsheet and the select sheet part. So this here is the Google Sheet that I've created by the name of Facebook Leads New. It consists only of one sheet and of 3 columns. One is of lead email, second is of lead name and the third one is for phone number. So now in this new row, I want to add the lead details. So to do that here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to select the spreadsheet as Facebook Leads New. And now after selecting the spreadsheet, over here sheet is selected automatically. Moving to lead email, lead name and the phone number. So here I'm going to map it. Basically mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So here I'm going to map the lead email that I've received from Facebook lead ads. Now I'm going to map the lead name and now I'm going to map the phone number. So as I've mapped these details, this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now here I'm going to click on save and send test request. And you can see I've received a response and this here is a positive response. So here in this Google Sheet, you can see that in a new row, the lead email, lead name and the phone number is successfully added. That means the test lead which I've just created, the details of that test lead is successfully added over here in this Google Sheet. So this integration and automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details will be added in Google Sheets.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.